first teething biscuit. Pumpkin and banana. What do you think? Oh. It's good. It's pumpkin and banana. You're dramatic. You're not sure. Use those two teepers. There they are. I wanted to show you your teepers. Look at those teeth. You can bite it. You've got teeth now. Good job, buddy. Okay, you want an old standby? Try that. Oh. Eat like the piggies do. What's Mama doing? She's making funny noises. And here is your... That's a new noise we just discovered. La, 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 la. You like sweet potatoes. You do this all the time. Come on. See? See? You like that. I know, I told you. Oh, maybe you're done today. Say bye-bye. Say... Is that funny? Yeah. You've got sweet potato all over, Mama.